Hey everyone, welcome back to Lean Afros. Today we've got a game-changing topic for freelancers and remote workers out there, making money on Upwork. If you're looking to unblock your earning potential and take control of your freelance career, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and let's get started. For those of you who might not be familiar with Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms where businesses connect with freelancers to get projects done. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have any other skill set, Upwork is a goldmine of opportunities, especially for remote workers. For us who are in the countryside, this is indeed a goldmine. The first step to making money on Upwork is creating a killer profile. Think of it as a freelancing resume. Showcase your skills, highlight your experience, and don't forget to add a professional photo because clients love to know who they're working with. Finding your niche is crucial. What are you exceptionally good at? Upwork has a vast range of categories, so narrow down to your desired range. I'm an expert in academic and article writing, so this is my profile, this is my homepage, and today I want to show you exactly how you can get that first job because you're going to apply for a job right here with you. The trick in creating your first proposal is to craft each proposal individually to fit the client's needs. Show them that you understand the project, share your relevant experience, and explain how you can add value to them. So this right here is what the client wants. You go through it, you read it, and you understand what the client needs, and you keep this in mind when crafting your proposal or your cover letter as it's called on Upwork. It's good to also go through the client's history to see that his payment method is verified, it's not a scam. And depending on the history of the client, you can also see some of the feedback from previous freelancers that have worked with this particular client. And this will guide you in understanding how exactly you're going to work with this person, or if at all you're interested in working with this person, if he's trustworthy. So let's now submit our first proposal right here. For me, it's not the first proposal, but I want to show you how you can go about submitting your proposal. These are the job details. You have 12 connects. Connects is like the cash, the transactional unit you need to make this proposal or to send this proposal to the client. And this client is willing to pay $50 for this proofreading task. It's a fixed price. So because pricing can be quite tricky sometimes, it's essential for you to know your worth. Research what others in your niche are charging and set your rates accordingly. Are you willing to work for this $50? Is it too little for the amount of work you're going to, and the time you're going to dedicate to this job? Once you've researched and you're comfortable with this, you can choose to be paid by either by project or by milestone. I prefer being paid per project, especially for these small jobs, which you can just work on them once and you get paid, and that's it. So out of the $50, you're going to give Upwork 10% of that amount, which is $5, and this is for escrow, that's for protection. So the client gives or funds the milestone or the project, and the amount is held in escrow until you provide quality work, and then you're going to get your $45 while Upwork earns via this transaction. So it's like building trust for you. It's a small task, so we're going to just work on it in less than a month. It will just take days, proofreading the 7,500 word proposal. And once that is all done, you write now your cover letter using persuasive words, expressing your worth and the value you're going to give the client. And in my case, I added an attachment to show prior work that the client can go through to determine if it's worth working with you. And then now you decide to send using the 12 connects, or you can decide to boost by setting a bid. So I'm just going to send as it is at 12 connects. that is it. So we're now ready to submit the proposal. It's all set. You just have to agree with Upwork's terms before you submit the proposal to ensure that you're on the same page. And that's all about escrow protection and all about the $5, in this case 10% of your amount that's going to be deducted, because Upwork is going to give you this funding protection, which is good for you as well as for the client to avoid scamming. So now it's time to, if you get selected, if the client chooses to work with you, it's time to deliver exceptional results. The key to long-term success on Upwork is delivering exceptional results, of course. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and go the extra mile. Happy clients mean positive reviews, and positive reviews mean more opportunities. And once you're done, you're going to get your money direct to your bank or to your M-Pesa if you're in Kenya. Amazing, right? I've done this severally. This is one of my main hustles here in the village, in the countryside. And I love how you can work anywhere, anytime, for as long as you have internet connection and access to power, electricity, you're good to go. Thank you for watching Lean Afros. If you have any specific topics you'd like us to cover in our next video, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.